There is a sound of abundance of rain. Elijah said to Ahab, "Go up, eat and drink. I will also go up on top of Mount Carmel, bow down, and put his face between his knees, and he was praying." There's a place where you don't, when you want to go deeper in prayer, you want to go deeper and to receive from God, you don't carry everybody because they'll bring you distraction. Elijah said to Ahab, "Go up, eat and drink. Me, I'll go up on top. If I carry you up on top, you'll want to eat and drink." And he said to the servant, "You also go up and see if the rain is coming." There's a place where when you want to go deeper with God, you need to deeper in prayer to receive this sound, to receive more revelation about the sound of the rain that is coming, of the blessing that is coming, of the breakthrough that is coming. You don't carry everybody. When you want to see change in your life, you need to go into one-on-one with God, into a deeper personal relationship, prayer with God. And the Bible says that the servant kept on coming, said, he didn't say anything. The Bible says that these are the signs which follow that belief. Elijah wanted to see the sign. So he kept on praying. He kept on praying. He kept on praying.